lot. And para walang confusion, I want to date you.
Di pa kasi ako ready makipag-date eh.
Han, pero pa. Look, what's the meaning of this?
If you don't mind, you can edit me out of the video.
Are you hiding something from us?
Si Jao, nasa Cebu. Aminin mo na kasi. Namimiss mo siya.
Hey.
Pag sasabihin ko yung pangalan ni Jao, ngumingiti ka kaya.
Ice candy! Gusto niyo pong ice candy? Buko or mango?
Both.
Both?
Hindi, wala. May na-miss lang ako. Yes, sir. Sabi mo magbakasyon. I'm good.
Nasaan ka?
Where should be. Hi, miss.
Mahilig kang dumating, bitbit mo ang araw sa mata.
Miss ka dyan.
Miss din kita.
Hindi mo sinabi kung
Okay.
Bakit? Masama ba?
Kala ko ba nasa Cebu ka?
Sinabihan kasi ako ni Paul to take a work vacation leave for 3 weeks. Pero taga, paano mo nga pala nalaman?
Sinabi sa amin ni Tantan.
Okay, so yun, sabi niya work vacation daw for 3 weeks, kaya lang hindi ko masyadong type yung Cebu eh.
Why not? Maganda naman Cebu ah.
Yeah, maganda doon, masarap naman yung pagkain. Hindi lang siya Siargao. Tsaka wala ka doon eh. May lakad ka bukas?
Wala.
Good. Pwede magtanong?
What?
Why are you so guarded? Ever since kasi ramdam ko yun eh. No matter how warm and welcoming you are to others, parang may wall pa rin na kailangan kong tibagin para mas makilala ka.
Talaga? Sorry kung ganun yung naparamdam ko sa'yo. I guess hindi naman deliberate. There are just things in the past na nasaktan ako ng sobra-sobra. Kaya nag-iingat lang.
Sa akin?
Hindi lang naman sa'yo. Maybe in general, sa mga taong papapasukin ko sa buhay ko. So mga pwede kong pagkatiwalaan. Pwedeng mahalin.
Kara, gusto pa kita makilala. Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng chance?
Pwede mo namang subukan. Pero bago ako, I think it's time na makilala mo na si Ruth.
Why did you buy me a burger?
Because you're my friend.
Oh, I'm not falling for that. Are you here to accuse me of more crazy things?
Like what?
Like, I don't know. Like I'm a yoga teacher in India who can't pronounce namaste correctly.
Or you're a Korean oppa who travels all around Asia and falls in love with the Philippines, falls in love with the island of Siargao, and falls in love with my beautiful sister Pearl. It's okay. I like you for Pearl.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, it's okay. I like you for Pearl. I know you'll be good for her.
Talaga?
Talaga? Tinuod. I know you'll be good for her.
But I think Pearl wants to explore and experience the world. Yeah, good for her, but bad for me. And I don't think she likes me.
Hanbin oppa. I know my sister. I feel like she likes you, but she doesn't realize it yet. You know why? Because it's your fault. It's because you don't express your true feelings. You're always so serious around her.
Pearl may not say much about it to me. I can tell she's dreaming of a life beyond this paradise.
I'll tell you a story. Our mother said that when Pearl was 5 years old, she met this Greek woman who was visiting the island. And this Greek woman told Pearl that she can taste all flavors of ice cream and all kinds of chocolate in Europe. And that's when she started becoming curious. Shallow, right?
No, not at all shallow. Some childhood memories really stay with you. And some memories even shape our future.
Says who? Says a psychologist from Norway?
Says me, a young boy from Seoul who dreamed of seeing the world because my sister destroyed the globe my father gave me. Pearl, she's just like me. Chocolate and ice cream represent the bigger world for her. She must be smart.
She's very smart. Always so imaginative and curious and asks so many questions.
So, what should I do? You know, Quinito is already close to her.
You know why? Because Quinito says what he feels. He's expressive. He's proactive, unlike you.
Then what do you want me to do? Dance like Quinito like this?
Yeah.
Huh?
Guntan mi mo ang beat. Guntan mi mo ang beat. Yeah, you should dance like that. We'll practice later. I'll teach you. Or do the eggyo.
Eggyo?
Yeah, eggyo.
Like how?
Ito na ba yung mangroves?
Ruth, si Jao. Jao, this is Ruth.
Root as in R-O-O-T? As in ugat? O root as in R-U-T-H? As in the name?
Both.
Hi, Ruth. Nice to meet you. I'm Jao.
Ako mismo nagtanim kay Ruth. Laking tulong ng mga bakawan nung Typhoon Odette. Sila yung nagprotekta sa maraming mga bahay from the storm surge. Strong and resilient yung mga katulad ni Ruth.
Grabe, sobrang essential talaga ng mga mangroves para sa protection ng Siargao, no?
Oo Kaya nga sana dumami pa yung mga mangrove sa Pilipinas eh. At dahil pala napakilala na kita kay Ruth, kailangan mo mag-promise sa kanya.
Promise nang
Mag-promise na poprotektahan mo si...
Spice Curious? Jollibee Spicy Chicken Joy. Spicy delicious. Spicy na delicious spice. Spicy delicious. Masarap na blend of spice. It's spicy delicious. Jollibee Spicy Chicken Joy. Spicy delicious. Spicy na delicious pa.
Poprotektahan mo si Ruth at ang mga bakawan na katulad niya.
Okay. So, from this day, I promise na may katulong ka na, Kara, sa pagprotekta kay Ruth at sa lahat ng mangroves dito sa Siargao.
Oh, narinig mo yon, Ruth? Thank you raw.
Sabi niya?
Alam ni Ruth lahat tungkol sa akin. Binubulong ko sa kanya lahat ng mga doubts, fears, mga secrets ko. Lahat. Try mo rin siya kausapin.
Ano sabihin ko?
Kahit ano, mga secrets mo.
Huh? Agad?
Oo. Ay, hindi ako makikinig.
Sige. Okay. May sinasabi si Ruth, Kara. Okay. Okay. Sa ayoko na lang daw sabihin.
Ang alin?
I want more than friendship, Kara. I want us to be more than what we are right now. Gusto pa kita makilala. Lahat ng ikaw. Hindi para pilitin ka, but to make you feel that you're safe with me. So, if you let me, please let me in.
Joe, mahirap akong mahalin.
Then why does this feel so easy?
Takot ako. Nahuhulog ako ng malalim. Natakot ako na baka sa susunod malunod na ako.
No. Kara, hindi natin mamadaliin. Di ba, kagaya nung sabi mo dati, let's just go with the flow and ride the waves. I'll ride it with you, Kara. I'll ride the waves with you. At dahil nandito na ako, hindi kita hahayaang malunod.
Hello!
Hi. We have a reservation for 2 nights.
Okay, may I ask for the reservation name, please?
Yeah, it's Ava Brooks.
Okay. All right, I got it.
You know, you look like a K-pop star.
Me? Actually, I've heard it before, but no. It's just Island Air.
And you have a great smile.
Yeah, it's so white. It's so refreshing.
Thank you. Okay. Yes. Here we go.
Thank you.
Wait, is that your secret?
Yeah, actually, it's kind of my secret. It's for maximum confidence.
Well, it's working.
Are you single or taken?
I'm single, but my heart is already taken.
Oh, she's a lucky girl.
Okay, so enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Salamat, Karajao. Thank you, guys.
Bakit kaya paghawak ang iyong kamay? Ang oras kay bilis, di mapalagay. Iba pa talaga ang takbo ng araw.
The key to good surfing is timing.
Kailangan marunong kang makiramdam sa alon.
If you get the timing right, you can ride a good wave.
Ngunit ano tong nadarama pag di kita kasama? Ang tagal ng oras.
But if you rush it, baka di mo masabayan. You'll miss the wave. And falling hurts.
Is it the same as falling in love?
Sometimes. But you have to take the risk. Because when you get the chance to ride out a good relationship, it's the best feeling in the world. Wala na, kalawang na talaga.
Hindi naman. Pero alam mo, more time lang na sumampa ka ulit sa board, babalik sa'yo yun lahat.
Nakakamiss talaga yung alon ng Siargao. Siguro, balik-balik lang. I'm sure mamememorize ko ulit yan.
Joe! Actually, alam mo, you two are more like people trying to make it work than two people who naturally fit.
Oh, Zhao, join us!
Buti pa to si Jao. Laging masaya pagkasama si Kara.
Sayain lang talaga akong tao, no?
Ano ba yung status nyo ngayon?
You like Kara, di ba?
We just like spending a lot of time together.
Kinilig!
Hi, Kara.
Archie! Long time! Ano na kailan ka nakabalik?
Bring-miss kita.
Jao si Archie. Archie si Jao.
Ciao, pare. So, pare, what do you do? I'm on vacation, so I'm not really interested to talk about work.